What the heck is going on, my free thinking rebels? And welcome to this impromptu live stream I'm dropping for you right now. What the is going on in crypto? This is going to be a deep dive into the market. Things are going insane right now. We have Bitcoin doing things that not many of us were expecting to happen right now, but we might have to come to the realization that maybe, maybe the bull run has really begun. And oh my god, let's jump straight into the charts. We are going to look at what's going on, and we're just going to try and make some sense to this madness. And I'll give you my honest opinion, and you can use that information to make your decisions. My friends, if you have not subscribed yet, please take a minute, go down right now, click that subscribe button, share some love, let me know where you're at, what you think, and what are you feeling right now is going to happen. That and much more we're going to discuss. So look, Bitcoin is doing something it has never done in the history of its price action, which is it seems like we are looking at going straight back to the all-time high before the halving has begun. So the halving, for those of you who know, is expected to happen in April of this year. Historically, and I've talked about this multiple times, historically, we do not get into a full-on parabolic bull run until after the halving. Let's look at this. Let's analyze this. The previous halving in 2020, it took us a couple of months before we went parabolic. Breaking the golden pocket is also another sign of when we are actually getting to go into that parabolic move. We actually broke the golden pocket already. We were fighting it for a bit, and now we are going parabolic. This for me alone, and I've been chatting to this with a lot of my friends, a lot of mentors, other TA people in this space, and everybody's like, it's still gonna pull back, because we have had an occasion in the past where we break the golden pocket, but this was right as the halving was happening. So this was slightly different. We broke it, came back down, then we went off into the moon. So what can we expect right now? Are we really going to be going straight into a parabolic move right now? It is possible. The signs are there, and even though we have not reached the halving, which is what normally signifies the real move into crypto bull run, there are a lot of things that are different right now. We have all the ETFs pumping money into Bitcoin, which definitely, my friends, the supply right now for Bitcoin is so low and the demand is growing exponentially every single day that this makes total sense. We could easily see a move up to the all-time high and then just continue ripping. We might get a small pullback, but personally, I don't think we're going to have any major pullbacks like we've seen in the past. Now, what else can we look at? We can see right now the Bitcoin dominance is also skyrocketing. We just went up. Oh my God, we just broke some levels today, and I'm now seeing that. But we are back above this trend line, so which means we're going back into an upwards trend for Bitcoin dominance. And if we break this last high, which was the highest point that we have been since we broke down, look, we can literally see Bitcoin go all the way up to $80,000 in the next couple of months. And when the halving does hit, then shit's just going to get even crazier. Now, what else can we look at? Let's look at the total money into crypto right now. What can we see? We are extremely bullish there as well. We are now getting into we're now at $2.2 trillion in the overall market. Now we are approaching that all-time high for the market cap. Once we break these levels again, that is when we are aiming for those numbers. So everything is pointing in the direction of the bull run has begun. The potential of a major pullback is getting smaller and smaller. And again, the only way I see that happen is if we have some form of a black swan event that really causes some major disruptions in the market. But other than that, the money's there, my friends. Listen, there is billions, trillions of dollars coming into crypto right now. The money needs to go somewhere, and it is. It's moving, it's pumping. Listen, I don't know what else to say, but things are going crazy. Let me just check right now. Portfolios. Let's take a look at what's happening. So Bitcoin is going insane. We already talked about that. Look at it. Look at these candles. Look at this. And we're just holding this trend line. This is what a parabolic move starts to look like. When we're just going up in a straight line. There's no pullbacks happening. And right now we are approaching that 62,000. The next, again, there's no resist. We have no resistance above us. We have the $64,000 mark. That's the next resistance, but it's not a big one, right? It's not a big resistance. If we look at, let's look at my EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon, completely bullish. We are hovering on top of it on all time frames. What else am I looking at here? Listen, I just feel like if you sleep on it right now, you will miss a massive opportunity for life-changing wealth. If you are not doing anything, you're just sitting on the sidelines, don't sit anymore. The beauty of this is just beginning. Yes, prices are up, everything is going crazy, but it's just the beginning. We still have all of this potential right here, right? And even higher based on what's going on right now. We have so much potential in the market right now. Don't sleep on it. This is the message for this specific video today. Don't sleep on what is happening. If you feel like you don't know what to do, please take action, whatever that action means. Use the link in the description, book a one-on-one coaching call. Let's figure out what you can do and how we can help you get to the goals that you want to get at. But don't waste your time, my free thinking rebels, or else you will miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime, because this 4-year cycle happens every 4 years. Yeah, cool. Do you want to wait another 4 to 6 years for the next halving, for the next bull run? Cool. If that's what you want to do, go ahead. But you have the opportunity right now to do something with these investments, and don't waste it. Okay? It's not very hard. It's not very hard. You just need the guidance, then find the guidance. Let's take a quick look. Ethereum, my friend, look, our portfolios are just going insane. I'm just going to share a little bit of it right now. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum is now up, breaking the 3,000 mark, also heading towards all-time highs. What's going on with these charts? Everything's slow right now. There we go. Ethereum is up 70%. Projects just starting to go insane. Engine, everything is slow, my friends. Engine is starting to move. AGIX is just going bonkers. I think it's up about 4.5x from the entries that we had in September. Okay, 3x. And this is just the beginning, friends. I don't know what I don't know what to say. The markets are exploding. You have an opportunity now to really change the destiny of your finances, really maximize the input of what can and can happen. Don't waste it. Don't waste these opportunities. Get the help that you need, and just make it happen, my friends. That's all I can say. Let me take a look at, so the portfolio. Even CoinGecko is it's down right now. I can't even check the portfolio updates in here. Everything's just. But look at this. Just look at this. Bitcoin is up 46% in the last 30 days. Ethereum's up 51%. BNB is up 37%. Solana's up 15%. LTD state. Everything is up. Everything is going up. Everything is just going up, 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 up. So what does this mean? Does this mean just jump in crazy and just put money in anything and don't have a plan? No, don't do that. I won't recommend you do that. What I would recommend is that you take a minute, get the guidance and the help, and find a strategy. Just sit breathe, and look for a plan. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. If you don't have a plan in action, like I tell everybody, you need to have an exit strategy before you even buy your first coin. Exit strategy is key. Don't waste your time by just jumping into something without a plan in place, because you're just going to waste your time, waste your money. Please, again, use the link in the description. If you have not joined any of our events, use the links in the description, register, look at the replays, and just get that confidence and let us help you find your way. Look, that's all I got for you right now, my friends. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Stefan out.